Welcome to Auburn Ford, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. And comes equipped with navigation, running board package, leather interior, dual power seats, heated seats, Bluetooth smartphone integration, theft deterrent system, premium wheels, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Family owned and operated Auburn Ford provides our friends and neighbors with a low-pressure, hassle-free purchasing experience. We care about our customers and we believe in honesty and transparency. We even meet the needs of our Spanish-speaking customers. As a winner of the Auburn New Car Dealer of the Year and voted Best New Car Dealer from the Best of Sacramento, you don't have to take our word for it. Come see us today and see for yourself. Auburn Ford is located at 1650 Grass Valley Highway in Auburn.